Nagtatawa na kami. I didn't know kasi yung salamin niya, yung isang yung isang mata naman. Honey, that's why I noticed. That's why I know that your sunglasses is broken. Because you worried the other one is there, the other one is not.
I didn't notice.
Stress. Stress
Yeah,
kay Kiara.
stress.
Iyak kasi nang iyak eh. Gustong tumakbo. Only just the screw. We should have checked that. Bakit pa naman sa kanya? Nakatawid kami. At ako'y nagbablog. Babay na place at hindi namin kaya magtagal doon. Okay, dito naman. Central Market. Dito napunta sila Kati. But I think wala na sila. Kanina pa. Oh, bird, dove. She's looking at. Hi, dove. Do you want food? Oops, Kiara's favorite. Do you like it, Kiara? Oh.
Yeah. Now I'm happy.
Si Kiara. Yeah, she's just gutom. Kasi nag-vomit siya kanina. She vomited earlier. Oops, malalaglag ako. Ano nyo naman, naglalakad ako. Eh, mayroon akong dalang kaldereta. Ha? Oh, this is the parking. What the heck naman si Honey, malay. Hindi pala naka-record. Bumalik kami kasi car park pala yun. You didn't know?
No.
Mali, car park pala yun. Tingnan nyo ako. Naglalakad ako, may hawak akong plato na may kaldereta. My goodness. Oh, look at that. That's nice. It's so colorful. If you want to view paradise, simple look around and view it. Yeah. Oops. Ano ba yan? Mali ako, mali. Okay, where are we going? Here. Ayan ang market. Si Daddy, mali. So, ka nakakitang ganyan? What? Oh, I told you, yeah. Buti na lang. Nice, because that is a nice shoes of her.
Yeah.
Buti na lang nakita niya. Accessories. Uy, ang ganda ng sakit. Oops, yung kaldereta ko, huwag niyong bungguin. $8 yan. This is $8 and my drink is $2, so 10. Oh yeah, but without rice? Sa 10 ba na yun? Dapat kasama na yung rice. Okay, where are we going to eat? Coles. Certainly not in Coles. What the heck? $8 sa isang, that is already one roast chicken already at Coles.
Yeah.
Honey, mahal ka pala. The Honey Shop and Soap Bar. Oh, you didn't tell me that you have a shop.
Yeah, it didn't used to work. It used to be a market. It didn't used to be like a shopping centre.
Oh yeah, I remember Gapan. It looks like a market really, but malinis na market. Clean market. What? Is this the food? Cactus. What?
A market, yeah.
This is fresh foods. Where are we going to eat in here?
No,
Ay, nako.
certainly not down there.
In here.
Maybe.
There. I can see what's in there. Let's zoom. Breakfast. There's more in there. There, breakfast, lunch, omelette, something like that.
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay! Kuya, mabuhay. Nakakatuwa naman. Do I look like a Filipina?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, you got a camera.
Because
You're doing selfies all the
kasi daw
time.
meron daw akong camera bag na nagsiselfie. Sabi niya, mabuhay! Where are we going?
There's nothing here.
There! Maybe at the other. Is that restaurant? Oh, mussels, honey. Mussels. Do you like that? No.
I want some, you know.
Arts. Ayaw, that's all. Maybe there's still something in there. Look at that. First time ko makakita ng pet shop. Look at the fish. Hi, fishies. Oh, I really want to. Oh, this is Gapi, right? Oh, Gapi. What is $4.95? $4.95 each?
Yeah.
What the heck? Ang mahal naman. Yeah. There also. Oh, there are fishes. Oh, black bubble eye. Mahilig ako sa aquarium eh. Sa fish dati. Wala po ko ganun lang. And then, wow, ang ganda nun, no? Light violet. Ay, ayaw mag-focus. Ayaw. Ayan. Ayan yung price. Kill the fish. No, yeah. Ang mahal. Hi, bubble eye. Hi, Kiara. This is my pet, my Pokemon. My gosh, wala namang kanin dito. Ayan. O-order si Mark. Bumalik kami dito. So, wala. Yan na ang kakainin ko. Siya, bibiling club sandwich. Medyo humuhupa na yung mga pimples ko. Going to eat already. Baka sabihin nila, anong kinakain na itong babae ko? Wala naman kami ganyan. Why?
Well, they're cleaning this side, get ready for closing later.
So,
Yeah,
we
move
can
to the other side.
Okay, sir, I guess that we got to wash this station.
Okay. Magsasara na pala sila. Okay, dito. Ni-istorbo ako. Susubo na ako eh. Aww. Anong wow? Wow! Carrier ng babae, NBC. Ayan, dumating na din yung kanyang order. Club sandwich. Yan lang available eh. Natin sir, fries, mami. It's not yummy. Yung fries nila, taste luma. Sabi na gusto eh. She said, when she said, is the sandwich nice?
Yeah, not bad.
Her fries.
Got one in the mouth already.
Yeah, she wants more. Ang sarap ng sandwich. Ano meron dito? Chicken. Mayonnaise ba yan? Ano yun? Tapos may avocado, lettuce, bacon, tomato. Oh! Kiara is feeding the cow. Sabi, ginaganon daw ni Kiara, pinanglilipat. Alam mo ba, nagsuka siya dito sa restaurant, puro gatas. Kasi umuubo siya, ewan ko ba, nangatis na naman yung lalamunan. Ay, nako, excuse me ah. So, buti may wipes kami, wipes ko yung sahig, tapos yung isang employee dito, binigyan ako ng hot towel na malaki. Tapos yun ang pinandinis ko. Tapos sabi ko, meron ba kayong safe? Linisin ko, hindi daw, okay na lang, kumuha na. Tapos na yun, pinapakain namin siyang fries. Naubo na naman siya, kala namin, susukan na naman, binigyan na lang namin tubig. Eto, kakainin ko mamaya pag uwi. Honey, there was something happened earlier. Well, I was on the line. The seller of this, the caldereta says, oh, I will put some extra on you. I don't know, maybe he likes me or what. No, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, maybe because Filipino like that. And then, I said, one lemonade also. So $8 plus $2. Did I give the money back to you? Oh, good. $5. Oh, shoot. Ayun, buti na lang. Yes, eto. Hindi nalaglag kasi mababaw yung bulsa ko eh. So yan, babalik ko sa kanya.
Take it slowly.
Oh yeah, gusto na naman ni Kiara ng price. But we still have number. Do you still have order? Okay. $8, honey. $8 plus $2 is $10, right? So I gave her, meron siyang assistant. I gave her $20. And then she gave me $10. I didn't count. So when I was going to the pram to put the food, other customer is giving me, I think, $2. No, I don't know. Is it $2 or $3? Oh, maybe $2. $2, $1 coin and $2. Yes. And I was like, tingnan ko nga. tingnan ko may sukli ko. Sabi ko, I counted my, honey, I counted my change. And I was like, ayun na naman. I said, Kuya, you gave me another coins. Are you listening?
Yeah.
My total is only 10, right? And then they counted it. He said, oh, I like you. Honey. He said, oh, I like you. You're so honest. I like you. Yeah. He was looking to my ass saying that he likes me because I'm honest. I was like, syempre. Hindi, nakikudali ko na din kasi yun talaga kapag may sobra yung sukle, pinapalik ko. Kasi masarap sa pakiramdam. Yun lang, share ko lang. Sige, bye-bye. Maya-maya. Pauwi na kami. And guess what? Still, I'm with my beef stew.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, walking around in here with beef stew in my hand. Oh, only $5? Oh, 1 hour only. Ayan, nagbabayad ko ng parking. Ganyan yung bayaran ng parking dito. And then, that's all. Oh, nice. I gave you the $5 bill. Okay, let's go.
I need to get there.
Where?
Wherever we were.
Yun yung parking nila. Dapat din naman ganyan. Sa nail polish, gusto ko yung ganyang kulay. Pero, sa kotse, hindi ko siya type. Walang magagawa. Kasi gusto niya talaga daw red. Kaya lang nung bumibili siya, wala nga daw red. So, yes, mag-aantay. Honey, before you want the red car, right? Red color? How long you will wait before you can have it?
12 months.
12 months! That's why you didn't bother to wait. 12 months naman pala eh. Kung ako talaga, di ko talaga hintayin yun. So, yes. Okay. Ayun, lalagay ko siya dito. Yan. So, yan. Kapag hindi siya tatapon kasi. Oh, look at the clouds. Look at that, guys. Merong, airplane. Wow, the clouds. It looks like a scale. Merong airplane. Paakyat pa lang. Oh, ang galing, honey. The airplane is like that. Hindi ko na makita. Nakagano, nakatayo. Yeah, it's like a rocket. Look at the clouds. It looks like scales. Kador-dor. Nice weather today. Na-amaze talaga ako pag nakakakita ako ng airplane. Kasi diba, ang laki-laki niya. Tapos isipin mo, paano lumulutang yun sa Paano lumulutang yun sa taas? Diba? Ang bigat-bigat. Look at, nice. This one is kulay blue. The day is okay. Not
Yeah,
that
not
so,
bad.
yeah.
Sharon's been upset. But
Yeah, I don't like it that much because Kiara is so clingy. Tapos nagbabamit siya and everything. And yes, we traveled like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Oh, minutes. Oh, ako na naman si Mommy. Sorry.
going in a
Yeah,
minute,
we traveled like 40 minutes. Tapos wala, pagdating namin doon, ang daming tao, the line is long, and then no more sisig, no more rice, only beef caldereta. And I was like, sayang. So kahit para pumila doon sila tati, wala din sila makakakain ng sisig. Buti na lang umalis na sila kasi sayang lang pinanood ko yung clips nung nakita ko ni Kathy. Tapos nakita ko siya. Napindot ko kagad eh. Sabi ko, nakita mo ako. Kasi nakita daw niya si Mark. Tapos, nawala sila. So, hindi ko alam. So, pinanood ko yung clip. So, yung background ko, natatanaw sila. So, nakita ko, umalis pala sila kagad. Kasi nga, napakatagal ng pila. Hindi pa din sila kumakain. Kaya umalis na sila. Yun. I think, tumitingin sila maybe to say bye-bye. But yes, hindi kasi ako nakatalikod ako. Kaya, yun. Doon ko lang nakita sa clip. Makikita nyo, maliit lang sila. So, yes, I'm gonna say goodnight na. I'm gonna close this vlog already. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Si Kiara tulog na, napagod. Umidlip sila. Si Kiara, ang tagal ng tulog. And hi Kiara bro! Dala-dala mo yung laruan mo. Mommy, why you're so bulol? Oh, si daddy nasa computer room niya. Oh, I like my top. It's so fresh looking. Magkape ng tigawat ko. Ay, wala na isa kong eyelash. Ay, isa matatanggal na. Aray ko. Kasi anyway, finally, after I think 10 hours of uploading kasi matagal ang internet ngayon kasi bumagyo, na upload ko na to. Ang cute ang thumbnail. Yan. Tapos, yes, meron na siyang 45 views and 8 likes, huh? Nice. And, yes, it's so nice kasi, tablet. Oh, nag-comment kanina si Ray. Sabi niya, ang galing mo mag-edit. Great video. Thank you. Thank you so much. Tapos din. Si Kathy Maganda. Great video. Thank you. Tapos, yun. Nag-upload ng OOTD si Ray's kanina sa Instagram niya. And tama ako kanina yun. Sabi niya, tinanong niya kung nagpunta kami. Sabi ko, oo, saglit lang kami kasi grabe, hindi namin kinaya. Ang daming tao. Ang init, ang haba ng pilas. Tapos, syempre, di ba lunch? Hindi kami kumain kasi doon nga kami kakain. Pagdating namin doon sa pila, 3 tao bago ako, ubos na daw ang sisig. Tapos, sa mga chicken barbecue, ang haba ng pila. Tapos, minessage ko si Mia. Saglit lang din siya. Si Mia Vacation, hi! Hindi din siya nagtagal kasi nga, as in sobra. Oh! Honey? Aren't you not going to watch football? The neighbor is still screaming. Napakaingay sigaw na yeah! Yeah, you didn't hear that? When you were sleeping, neighbors like, whoa, 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 like that. And then I think suddenly like 30 minutes, they become quiet and now they are starting to scream again. No reaction? Aren't you not going to watch? Yun. Sila Ray's maaga pa lang pumunta kasi nga mayon manonood si Dan ng football. And then I think nag-enjoy sila kasi yung kapitbahay parang Pilipinas paglaban ni Pacquiao. Nagsisigawan. Okay, I need to luto na the dinner. Adobo. O sige, kailangan ako. Good night! Tingnan niya, dati niya natutulog tapos sinistorbo. Oh, sweetie! Sweet, sweet! Bye guys! See you in our next one. I hope you enjoyed the video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching!